What's up guys, it's your boy John. We're back again here with another video. Today we're going to be taking a look at the Model Y. A lot of people will be asking me what kind of kit, suspension and everything. So let's go over the exterior, interior, and go from there. Sheesh. First off, I do have the Model Y with the LED matrix. So you can see the little black bulb. I love some matrix LEDs. The best headlights I ever had on any of my cars, S2000 included, which is known for having great headlights. Now this is the Adro style kits. I'll put a link down below. It's actually pretty affordable. You can buy the whole kit, spoiler, side skirts, and front for a pretty good price. So yeah, looking down below. It has this nice aggressive lip. Have a little like canards popping out. You can also see my little camera right there. Sweet. But yeah, I'm a huge fan of that. The front lip really changes the front of the car, giving it less like a fishy look and more of an aggressive Lamborghini. That's what people would say, I guess, Urus. You can see that I have the induction wheels with the red calipers. Now, if you're looking for the red calipers, I can give you some covers too. I'll put that on the link below. But these are pretty quality as well. Look at these induction wheels. Super sweet. Now, there's one mod I might do in the future. I might change this to a piano black. You can buy that for 200 bucks for all four corners. So 50 bucks every corner. It would really change the look of the car. I don't mind it because I guess carbon fiber is more like a black gray color. So it kind of fits. But there you go. Sweet. These are dropped on Max Speed Roddings or something like that. I'll put a link below their name, Max Speeding Rods. And I think lowering this car made it one of my favorite cosmetic mods because it really changes it looking from like a RAV4 height to something actually pretty cool. It's actually less finger gap than a Model 3. I did 2 finger gaps all around. First I had half, one finger and then two. 2 is good for daily driving, especially when you do a kit. The rear diffuser, which is another part that I will put down below, is aggressive. Take a look at that. Sheesh, not for everybody. Just the style that I like. It sticks out so much. It's like a long tail. This diffuser is like something you would see on a supercar because it pokes out, super aggressive, and it is functional because it goes all the way back. Super smooth. The next mod is the spoiler, kind of like the Adro style. Has a little, again, this little Batmobile kind of fangs coming out here. I guess it's his ears. The Batmarang. And I did tint all the windows, ceramic tint, nano ceramic tint. Gotta do the best, right? I did 30, I believe 35 in the front, 30 or 20, then 20s and all around after that. Now these taillights are pretty cool. Gotta show that. Now these are Honcho taillights, so when you unlock your car, it does do a little animation, a little dance. It looks very OEM besides that dance animation and of course the cyber part. I'm a fan of it. I think it looks good. I mean, it looks OEM, like the shape of it. And then they added this kind of bar. So yeah, I'm not mad at it. So that's it for the exterior. Oh, and then the door handles. When you unlock the car, they pop out. You can have these colors. These are RGBs. I have them as white because it just looks the best. There's some RGBs, purple, red. Kept it kind of classy. Let me show them popping out again. So, locked. Unlock. And then you can just pull it. When you pull it, I think it pops in after right after, but the other ones are still out until you pop them out. I think 30 seconds or so. is when they pop back in. Interior wise, we got the white interior. And I gotta say, they're not very hard to keep clean. Did do some ceramic coating on the interior if you guys were interested. Again, links below. I did a YouTube short on that. One of the big mods here is probably the steering wheel or steering yoke. It has real leather heating elements and all the buttons still work. Oh, there's a mosquito in here, I don't want to get bit. I got the screen right there, which actually can show you the camera. There's the camera. Super cool. And then there's some cameras right there too. Also cool. I also got this because this is like a high wear item area, and it just matches with the suede here and suede there. This was just like a vinyl tape. You just tape it on, and it's already cut to fit. But yeah, that yoke is probably one of the coolest parts about the interior. The screen's also cool, but that yoke. In the back, nothing too crazy. I do have a rear entertainment screen right there. This can control climate control. You control heated seats. You can watch Netflix, YouTube, charge your phone, and so forth. Yeah, can't really reach though. And then this car is also equipped with a third row. You can see that. It's actually pretty spacious if you kind of push the car. Oh, if you kind of have your, because you can slide these seats up. Ignore the diaper. But this is actually not too bad in terms of leg room if you scoot it up. How about this, which is not bad for a small car. Legroom's actually pretty good. The headroom is where it's, you have to be under 6 feet. So, good on legroom, bad on the headroom. But for someone, I'm 5'11", and I could sit back here for a short trip. So if you guys were looking for a 3-row, I mean, it really doesn't take any space. Where the 3-row takes like space in the 2-row, it barely takes any more space because it folds down flat. But yeah, that concludes it right there. This is the Model Y, and kind of how a guy from the 90s growing up, I like the Civics, S2000. Of course, you saw the NSX. I had Gen 1 NSX, Gen 2 NSX. It's kind of under the radar, low key, but I think it's one of the best daily drivers. That way you can, well, my wife drives this car, and then I drive the NSX Gen 2. But, you know, you have kids and stuff, and you got to compromise. Good MPG, you never worry about paying for gas. You never have to worry about your wife paying for gas because, you know, gas stations could get a little grimy. The Model Y is a great car for the family and just for daily driving. Anyways, that's it for the car. I don't think I'm gonna do anything more. I like the wheel setup. I like the way it looks. It's, you don't want to do too much because it's still a Tesla. I see some people, I feel like some Tesla owners are, they got a different style. But if you keep it kind of low-key black with the little carbon bits, that's all you really need. Thank you guys for watching. That's it from your boy John. And if you guys were interested in any of the parts I mentioned, check in the link down below. There's coupons and so forth. So yeah, get the Model Y if you guys were interested in living your Model Y and supercar dreams, or fun car, I guess, sports car. Peace.